लास्ट मंथ मेरी सैलरी ₹50,000 के जगह मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में सिर्फ 45,000 ही क्रेडिट हुई है. And the remaining ₹5,000, I had no clue until I checked my salary slip, which said that this ₹5,000 is TDS. TDS? What is this TDS? So TDS is a mechanism devised by the government to collect income tax. So basically, any company or a person who are making certain payments are required to deduct certain amount as tax and pay it to the government. So TDS, as the name suggests, means टैक्स को उसके सोर्स पे ही डिडक्ट करके गवर्नमेंट को पे कर देना. एंड द पर्सन हु इज डिडक्टिंग दिस टैक्स, उसको हम बोलते हैं डिडक्टर. और जिसका टैक्स हम डिडक्ट कर रहे हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं डिडक्टी. इन दिस केस द एम्प्लॉय, मी माई सेल्फ. एंड जो एम्प्लॉयर होता है, व्हेन दे डिडक्ट दिस टैक्स फ्रॉम द salary of the employee, they issue them a form which we call Form 16, which is basically a proof of the amount of tax that has been deducted from his salary. एक और फॉर्म होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं फॉर्म 26AS. So it contains the information of tax deducted from all other sources of income. और ये जो पेयर होता है, they are also required to file the returns of TDS to give details of all other payments of all other taxes. और जो पेयर होता है, they are also required to file the return of TDS to give details of all other payments from which the tax has been deducted. And the employee, when they file their return of income, if they are eligible, they are allowed to claim this TDS amount that has been deducted from their salary to get a refund of that